So I ordered a part in the mail, and just for a little backstory as to why. Very recently, you might notice that there are no mirrors on it, or it looks like there's no mirrors on it. That's because I got mirrors on the inside, and I think that made it look a lot better, and it still serves a practical purpose because I do have mirrors, so it's legal and everything. It just looks less legal. So to me, the stock cowl and headlight looks very ugly. So I have ordered something that I believe will look better. And I've already opened it up to make sure it wasn't broken or anything, because I didn't want to have a big aha moment only for it to be broken. But see, I got mounting brackets. We have a round headlight. Now, ideally this is to make it look more like a vintage bike. I like that look a lot more. So I'm going to be quite honest, I have not a clue how this is going to go. I did do a little bit of research. Of course, I made sure to order something with an H4 bulb. My plan, and things rarely do go to plan here, but my plan is to take all this out because I will not be splicing any wires in this. You also notice it has two sets of LEDs on the side. Those are turn signals, and I would love to wire that up one day, but that would require some splicing. So I'm just going to not hook that up. As you'll notice, there's only 3 wires here. This is for the headlight. There are 2 other sets of these 3 wires. You might be able to see it. They're kind of tucked back in there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get taken off the headlight so I can show y'all what I mean. Alright, so I got me a screwdriver. One thing is, this I don't know if it's easy or hard to tell. This is plastic, it's not metal. Which is, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of disappointed me, because I was under the assumption that it was metal, but maybe that was my lack of reading a product description, or at least I didn't see that it said it was plastic. But alright, and this is obviously the mounting. It's got a little bushing in there for vibration. So, see these 2 sets of wires, we're just going to leave them tucked in where they are because those are for turn signals. If they're not plugged in, of course they're not going to do anything. Now, this looks like a lost cause at first, but I think when we take this off, it still looks kind of janky. It doesn't look like something I'll be able to do, but the second you unplug it, this is no longer needed for the moment. And I'll show you why. Okay, that's not how that's supposed to work, but if I remember right, this is a 35 12 volt. This is an H4, which is what the 250L uses, but this is a 35 watt, and I'm pretty sure I think my wattage is different. Worst case scenario, I just got a spare bulb, but I know my bulb works, and I spent a very concerningly small amount of money on this, so I'm not entirely trusting of this bulb, but I'm going to keep it and try not to destroy it, because if it is the same wattage of bulb, I want to keep it so then I'll have another spare bulb. Ideally, I will take the stock headlight off, and this will literally just fit in, plug and play, and I'm good. Alright? Just so we know the plan before I screw it up. Now, actually taking off the headlight, I have had to do it already. So there's a few Allen bolts. I think there's 4 in total, and then the whole assembly comes out, and I don't need to take a bunch of stuff off, so this shouldn't take a terribly long time, but I guess we'll have to see. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so I won't need this boot. So I'll put that back. Of course, I'm gonna reassemble it, but I need this bulb. So the other one was 35 watt. This is a Hella H4 plus 50, 12 volt, 60, 55 watt. There's my new headlight, guys. Alright. So what I was talking about earlier, and I will need this, is this should and did go right in. By the way, doing that thing with the light, that took me very long. I need to put the other piece on, damn it. This is plastic, not glass. There's no glass on it or anything. I say he's almost dropped it. Anyway. For sake. Ah, fuck. I was literally putting the bulb on and I was like, what if this is a bad idea? Because what if I need to take it off again? My hands, dude. There we go. Okay. That works. Turns out I just need to feel no pain. How about this? How about before I do this? How about I make sure it's gonna work when I mount the fucking thing? I should have probably done this in the first place. Fuck. This packaged like Lego pieces, dude. And I should go ahead and point out that after this is done, there is not a snowball's chance in hell that I can return this and get my money back. Man, these metal wheels go pretty quick. Well, and it's gone. Okay, these are both very hot. I need to put them in. Alright, let's try it now. Okay, so that works. Alright, so I need to find something just a little shorter. This is rubber, and that's why I don't really want to use it as a permanent solution. That looks a little better. I should tighten it before I say anything, but that looks pretty straight on. Okay, cool. Now, this part should not be that difficult. I've said that every time though. Alright, it's gone in. Okay. Hey, there we go. Okay, cool. We're in business. It is really hard to tell how I feel about this. The fender really doesn't make it look very good. Fuck, that's bright as shit. Okay. This definitely works. I mean, there's really no reason why I wouldn't. Yeah, I really don't know how I feel about it, honestly. Once you start looking for the imperfection, here's the thing. This bike, it was always made to have a cowl here. It was always made to hide all this stuff. So naturally there's a little bit of stuff tucked back in there that's going to look ugly. But and I don't want to cut apart my cowl. No, I don't think that'd work. If you do like my content, want to see more of this, and want to see part 2 of this, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button. That'll let you know whenever I post a new video, and the next one is probably going to be the part 2 of this. I don't like making extremely long videos, like 20 minutes or more. I don't like doing, because I feel like that's a waste of everyone's time and people lose interest very easily, so I'll try to keep this 10 minutes or under, really. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.